everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make rice cakes, a delicious snack you can make from leftover rice. The ingredients you need are 2 cups of leftover rice, 4 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon of sugar and salt to taste. Let's start by mixing all the ingredients. If your rice is very dry like mine, you can add some water. This should be the consistency. Once the skillet is heated, we can start cooking. Cakes are ready. These make a really good snack. You can have these just like that, but I really like it with peanut butter. It's time for tasting.